Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulihil Kareem. Amma ba'ad, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu ya fattahu ya fattahu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope you all are doing good. Today, inshallah, we would continue with our studies in surf. And in surf studies, we were doing, these days we are doing Solasi Mazid Fihi families. So we did Mazid Fihi family, Bab Taf'il, which is family 2. And then we did Bab Mufa'ala, which is family 3, and then we did Bab Af'ala or Bab If'al. If we so there are 2 names for every family, and the 2 names come either from the past tense, Hua version, or the Masdar. So here in this name, Bab Tafa'ul, actually, this name is coming because Tafa'ul is Tafa'ulun is the Masdar of this family, family 5. We call it family 5 because the family 1 is the Sulasi Mujarrad. Sulasi Mujarrad, you know, when there's no extra letter in Fi'l Madi and other sighat, then we call that family Sulasi Mujarrad. And Sulasi Mujarrad is the first family, and from 2nd to 10 we have Sulasi Mazid Fihi. Sulasi Mazid Fihi. Why do we say Mazid Fihi? Because these families from 2 to 10, they have extra elements. In addition to the 3 root letters, these families have extra elements. So you can say you can see that the families that we already did, this number 2. Let me take my marker. This number 2, Bab, you can say Fa'ala or Bab Taf'il. If Fa'ala is the past tense and Taf'il is the Masdar of this family. So in this, the second letter, which is Ain Kalma is double over here. So there's an extra element. In family 3, there's an extra Hamza, Alif, just after Fa Kalma. In family 4, there's 1 extra letter, which is again Hamza, and this Hamza is Hamza Qatai before Fa Kalma. So in 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, we have 1 extra letter. In 5th family, that the one we are going to do today, inshallah, this one is this one has extra ta coming from the family. So there is an extra element of ta, letter ta, and the Ain Kalma is doubled. The Ain Kalma is doubled. Tafa'ala. Tafa'ala. So over here, there are 2 elements. From 5th family onward, we have 2 elements, extra, additional 2 elements. So in 5th family, we have ta in at the very beginning of the word, which is coming from the family. Ta is the thing that is coming from the family. And Ain Kalma is also double, just like Bab Taf'il, second family. Second family, we have Ain Kalma double. And again, in 5th family, we have Ain Kalma doubled. So let's go to the next slide. For every family, we have a prototype fail, 3-letter root word. For bab taf'il, we usually take allama, yu'allimu, again ayn, lam, and mim, 3 root letters, which is alima, ya'lamu in sulasi mujarrad. So ayn, lam, mim. Again, we usually take ayn, lam, mim for our practice of sarf saghir in this family. And this is a pattern we follow, which is called sarf saghir. And because we have today we are doing after a short break, so I'm just revising this sarf saghir template. In first line, because Arabic is written from right to left. So in first line, first on rightmost corner, first is the fe'l madi, then fe'l mudare, past tense, then present tense, then we say masdar, then we say the ism fa'il, the doer form of that word, the one who does the action. Ism fa'il is the one who does the action. And then in the second line, in the first line, all these fe'l madi, fe'l mudare, these are active voice. So in second line, again fe'l madi, fe'l mudare, but in the passive form, done to form. Okay, so a passive form, and then again masdar, and then ism maf'ul. Ism maf'ul is the one action was done or is done. Okay, and then in the third line we have commanding word from the same root letter, and forbidding, which is nahi. Commanding is amr, and then zarf. Zarf means the time and place of that action. Zarf zama is the time of when the action takes place, and zarf maka is the place where the action takes place. So this is the template we follow. And family 5, again ayn, lam, and mim. So over here, we have ta, and let me first take this thing on. Okay, so the keyboard. Okay, now, so in this family, we have extra element, which is ta in the very beginning. And then we have fa kalma, and then ayn kalma, which is 2 times. Ayn kalma is 2 times, and then lam kalma. And in fe'l madi, this family has fatha all over in fe'l madi. So ta'allama, ta is coming from the family element, ta, and then allama, ta'allama is the fe'l madi. Then ya is coming because of mudare, symbol of mudare. So ya is symbol of mudare. Then ta is coming from the family. Ayn, lam, mim are the root letters, and lam, the ayn kalma, which is the middle letter is double. So yata'allamu, and mim gets dhamma because it's fe'l mudare marfu. Fe'l mudare regular form, so it's marfu. So yata'allamu, ta'allama, yata'allamu, ta'alluman. Ta'alluman is the masdar. Okay, so even if you are on mute, say it with me, please. It's gonna help you a lot. Ta'allama, yata'allamu, ta'alluman. Ta'allama, yata'allamu, ta'alluman. He learned, he learns, the learning, the knowledge. Okay. Now, the next slide. Let me clear all drawings and then we can go up. Okay. Ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allimun. Muta'allimun, the one who learns. Ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allimun. So ta'allama, again past tense, yata'allamu, present tense, ta'alluman is masdar, fahuwa muta'allimun. This is ism fa'il. Ism fa'il, the one who learns, the one who does the action. So this was the first line, first active line in ta'allama, he learned. Yata'allamu, he learns or he will learn. Ta'alluman, learning or knowledge. And fahuwa muta'allimun, so he is a learner. Then the passive one, and in passive one we know that fu'ila is the pattern we follow for madi majhul. Passive, past passive, for past passive we follow fu'ila, the pattern fu'ila. So ta is the again from the family, because this is family 5. So family 5, it starts with ta. So ta will get dhamma and fa kalma also would get dhamma. Tu'ullima yuta'allamu. Tu'ullima yuta'allamu. So this family, this past passive follows the pattern of fu ila. So tu'ullima. Then present passive follows yuf'alu. So yuta'allamu. This is present passive. Tu'ullima yuta'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allamun. The one taught. The one taught. Muta'allamun. Tu'ullima yuta'allamu ta'alluman, again masdar, fahuwa muta'allamun. Okay. So far so good. So this is the passive line, the second line. And then al-amru minhu ta'allam. Ta'allam. How do we make amr? We take the anta form, ta'allamu. We take the anta form, tata'allamu. So, and we drop the tha, the symbol of mudare. So we drop the symbol of mudare, but family, the ta from the family remains there. Okay, that's why it is ta'allam. Ta'allam. Originally, what was that? Ta'allamu. 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 So what do we do for to make amr? We make the fi'l mudari lightest. So remove dhamma, put sukoon over here, and then we remove the ta of the fi'l mudari, anta version. So we remove the ta, but this ta that is remaining over here is from the family. Okay. So ta'allam, ta'allam. Al-amru minhu ta'allam, wa nahi anhu la tata'allam. La tata'allam, because in nahi we don't remove the ta. We just make the fi'l mudari majzoom. So wa nahi anhu, the forbidding form is la tata'allam, and was zarfu minhu muta'allamun. Muta'allamun. Again, zarf in Mazid Fihi family, zarf come on the same pattern as ism maf'ul. Muta'allamun. Okay. So here the integrated form, all 3 lines. Say it with me. Even if you are mute, say it with me. Ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allimun. Tu'allima yuta'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allamun. Al-amru minhu ta'allam, wa nahi anhu la tata'allam, wa zarfu minhu muta'allamun. Ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allimun. Tu'allima yuta'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allamun. Al-amru minhu ta'allam, wa nahi anhu la tata'allam, wa zarfu minhu muta'allamun. This is very important. It looks like you are repeating again and again and again, but for if you really want to excel and serve, this is very important to do it again and again. And for every family, if you learn this pattern for just one fail, okay, for family 5 ta'allam, if you memorize or if you practice so much for this sarf صغير, then you can come up for any fail, okay, any fail, any new word which has 3 letters, you can put those 3 letters and family 5. Okay, so this is not only for Mazid Fihi, this is also for Solasi Mujarrad, this is also for advanced surf, which is irregular verb, for irregular verbs. So if you know the prototype of a single word for that family, and you know it very right, you know it very well, like this one, like allama yu'allimu ta'liman fahuwa mu'allimun for bab tafil, or ta'allama yata'allamu ta'alluman fahuwa muta'allimun for this family. If you know just one sarf sagir for each particular family, in regular surf and in irregular surf also, then you can come up with sarf sagir for any new word. Okay, so this is very important. And here the root letters are different, but following the same pattern. The root letters are fa, ra, and qaf. Fa, ra, and qaf. So tafarraqa, past tense, yatafarraqu, present tense, tafarruqan, masdar, fahuwa mutafarriqun. And you know the ism file, ism maf'ul, and zarf, you take the mudare form, you remove the symbol of mudare and add mu to it, mu. Okay, so tafarraqa yatafarraqu tafarruqan fahuwa mutafarriqun, tufurriqa yutafarraqu tafarruqan fahuwa mutafarraqun. Al-amru minhu tafarraq, wa nahi anhu la tatafarraq, wa zarfu minhu mutafarraqun. Okay, so that's how we do sarf sagir. That's how this family goes. And important thing about the meaning of this family, in this family, when the words come through this family, this bab, then the effect of the action is usually on the doer. Like allama, the effect of the fail, effect of the action is on someone else. Like allama, he teaches, allama, he taught. Yu'allimu, he teaches. So the effect of the action is on someone who is on the front learning. Here the effect of the action is on himself. ta'allama. So he learns. He learns. Ta'allama means learn. He learned. He learned. Okay. Yata'allamu, he learns. So usually this family has a characteristic as far as meaning is concerned, that the effect of the fail happens on the doer. Okay. So this is the class practice. Inshallah, we are going to do it in interactive session. So what we are going to do, we are going to practice these root letters verbally following this pattern, this Sarv-Saghir pattern. Okay. So if you have question, you can ask in the comment section, or you can ask in the next session, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.